All right, so I have my server room here, and I have this rack full of all this full equipment, and this is retaining a bunch of our old equipment, new equipment, and so forth. I like the cages; they're pretty thick. You guys can see, like this part. So anything thinner is gonna go through. So you got to make sure you put boxes or anything big. Now I like that they have these scales that you could actually go into different levels like that. You guys can see it grabs on through here, the front, and you could actually daisy chain these with another one. If you guys can see that, it has the other one here too for this other set. They're over 6 feet, of course, you know, real long, real tall. If you guys can see that, I like this part of it. It's really, the base is all the way up, and you could even elevate and add some more if you're in the warehouse, but don't recommend it unless you're gonna have some sort of ties to the back, because sturdy wise they're okay. I'm moving it as an earthquake and nothing happens. Still moving. The bottom part, you could stand up on it. It could retain my weight here, about 100 to 200 pounds. Well, actually I'm heavier than that but it could retain all the stuff. But right now we're just piling up crap in here. Yeah, you guys could use this for other means. And this is the bottom of it. You guys can see it, very sturdy. I like that they have this extra built here. Another thing, this is very sturdy. Everything's very sturdy, easy to set up. It took us maybe half an hour to put it together, to be honest, out of the box. The box is heavy, so you're gonna need some help. It's over 100 pounds, of course. This is all aluminum based, but it's heavy duty, double aluminum, so it's a little thick. Can't bend it very well. You're gonna need a lot of force to bend some of the stuff. So hope you guys like it. I'm gonna pull back a little bit so you can see a little bit better. A little noisy here, but